See in 100 seconds hash tables. A hash table maps keys to array indices. Instead of searching through every element, we compute an index directly from the key. Size 10 means 10 buckets. Watch the hash function on line 6. See the while loop. It adds up the ASCII value of each character in the key. Then line 12 takes the sum modulo size to get an index between 0 and 9. See line 15. The table is just an array of string pointers, all starting as null. That is our hash table. 10 buckets, each either empty or holding a key. Watch insert on line 17. See the collision check on line 20. If the bucket already has a value, we print a warning. Then line 23 overwrites it. This simple version loses the old value. See lookup on line 27, just 2 lines. Hash the key. Return whatever is at that index. Constant time. No loop, no search. Watch print table on line 32. It loops through all 10 buckets and shows which ones are filled and which are empty dashes. See the 5 inserts in main: Alice, Bob, Carol, Dave, Eve. Each one hashes to a different bucket, but watch Eve. She will collide with Alice at the same index. See the output. Alice hashes to 8, Bob to 5, Carol to 7, Dave to 4. Then Eve also hashes to 8, collision with Alice. In the table, Eve overwrites Alice at bucket 8. The lookup finds Bob at 5 and Eve at 8. Next up, hash table implementation with chaining.